Alright guys, just looking for a little help here. I got a 2011 RZR 4. I just put this diff in probably 500 miles ago. It's brand new out of an XP. No problem with it locking in the 4-wheel drive. Drain the oil. You know, a little dirty, but nothing, no filings, no chunks, you know. But I got this funky sound, and I really don't know, like I can really feel it in the drive shaft when I spin the wheel, and it's only the left wheel that makes the sound, not the right wheel. So I'm just going to show you this. Hopefully you guys can hear that.